see I opted for the neck. Goes all the way back to the ear, and then all the way on the other side. The process itself was not overly painful. Getting a clear outline of where you need to apply your numbing cream is critical. I didn't go quite low enough for where I thought, and then quite over to the side where I thought. It feels like a severe sunburn.
So I'm supposed to take this recovery cream. I don't like it. It feels bumpy, but it doesn't hurt, so that's good.
You can see a lot of the redness is gone, and now it's just the dots that are remaining, and all of the pain. Like last night was the first night that I slept super normal, and now it's not tender anymore. It's just occasionally itchy in the spots that are starting to heal. So, as you can see, looking much better. Everything's really crusty and hard at this point, and nothing hurts. All the pain is gone. Biggest tip I have for this whole process though, shirts like this, the half zip that you can pull up as high as you want, so when you go into the grocery you can be like this, but when you're like chilling in your car you can have it nice and airy. You also want one like this because, as you can see, it's not like touching my neck, because I promise you, you will not want anything touching your neck. And it's not even because it hurts. Like right now it doesn't hurt, it just rubs and you feel it. And I'm in day 6. So today's the first day that I felt like wearing anything remotely close to my neck. That being said, I do regret it. It made me itch a little bit all day, and it rubbed a little bit. Even though you can see it's very, very loose, it still felt like it rubbed a bit. It just itches and I want to scratch it all the time. So that's it. I'm off to apply my lotion and my powder again. Pardon the morning look, but it is day 7. You can see a lot of the stuff is gone. See, the skin underneath is pink, which is supposed to be, and you can see there's a lot of flaking, but man, does it itch. I have to make conscious decisions not to claw at my neck, but I'm hoping that maybe in one more day all this stuff is gone.